Yes, student. Now, how can we obtain pure copper sulphate from an impure sample of that substance? Actually, student, when we are buying copper sulphate from the market, there is chances that it may consist different type of another solid along with the copper sulphate solid. Getting? So, how can we get the pure copper sulphate from its sample or from its mixture? So what we have to do, we have to use a pot like that, you can call it China dish or a big pot. Okay? And in this big pot, sample, it is impure sample is filled, and then little amount of water is added to it. Then the whole component is stirred properly so that there will be the formation of saturated solution will take place. Now student, what is saturated solution? That is at given temperature or at low temperature, the adequate amount of solvent, this is called what? Solvent, and the solute is present. Now, the impure sample is called what? Solute is present. This is called saturated solution. Now, this China dish is allowed, okay, to keep in a particular place without disturbing at low temperature. At low temperature, that is, the temperature is need to be what? Decreases at low temperature. Now, student, you know that the solubility of any substance depends on the temperature. If the temperature is high, more solubility. If the temperature is less, less solubility. So student, at room temperature earlier, that is the temperature were high, then the more solid were dissolved. But when we decrease the temperature, that is the low temperature, the dissolved solute will come in the form of crystal. The dissolved solute will comes in the form of crystal, that is crystal of pure solid or pure substance. So this process is known as crystallization. Now student, copper sulphate, you will be unable to manage the copper sulphate at your home, but you can manage what? Salt or sugar at your home. You are having some experiences about the forming gulab jamun or rasgulla at your home. What you are doing for this? We are preparing sugar syrup. Okay, and how do we are preparing sugar syrup? By increasing the temperature. As more temperature, more amount of sugar can be dissolved in it. So now the sugar syrup will form. Now you do what? You keep this sugar syrup in the fridge. Okay, earlier the temperature were high, therefore more amount of sugar were dissolved in the solution. But when you will keep it in the fridge, that is, there will be low temperature. Now the excess amount of sugar which were dissolved earlier will comes out in the form of crystals. This process is also known as crystallization.